Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teachers and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Iqbal Day, the birthday of our great national poet Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, who was born on 9th November 1877 in Sialkot, Pakistan. Allama Iqbal was not only a poet but also a philosopher, thinker and visionary leader. His poetry was full of hope, courage and self-belief. He taught us the message of khudi, or self-realization, to believe in our own strength and potential. One of his famous lines says, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. It means we should make ourselves so strong and confident that even destiny must ask us what we wish to become. Iqbal's message is not only for Pakistan but for the whole Muslim Ummah. He wanted us to rise, gain knowledge and serve humanity with faith and hard work. Let us promise today to follow Iqbal's message, to study with dedication, work honestly and make our country proud. Thank you. Pakistan Zindabad.